Thank you for joining me. We're going to be reviewing our ASKO 40 Series Dishwasher service menu. To get into your service menu, you must start with the machine powered off. Using your power button on the far left, power your unit on. As the unit is booting up, you'll see Inspired by Scandinavia, add rinse aid, and then we'll load up to your program selection screen. Using the left and right arrows, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, you will hear an audible 3 beep and the display will show failure readout. Once on failure readout, you can use your options button to enter and review any errors that the machine has thrown. It stores 3 errors at a time. You will then find exit and you can return back to the main menu for service and continue. Press your right arrow. You will find your test failure. This test failure is for any startup errors and can be run if you're able to get into service menu. To press the right arrow again, you will find your software revision. This is the software for your user interface on the top of the door, as well as your control panel or control unit in the bottom of the unit. Press our right arrow again and we will find diagnostics. This is the menu that we will enter into to test components. Components like your inlet valve, drain pump, or even your wax motor or fan motor. Next again, you will find your water inlet type. From the factory is set as a default of pulse, but you can enter into this menu and change to time or even increase additional pulses for your water inlet. We recommend leaving this on pulse for the factory. We will continue forward to our fan sequence. Fan sequence default is set to 1. The factory default of 1 means the fan will only turn on during the drying cycle. For our unit, we've moved this to a 0, but would always recommend to leave this as the factory default 1. Continue forward to our test mode flag. This is where we can take a program, put it into a test mode, and then run individual components. Continue forward. We have our total reset. There are 3 total resets. The first option is the option to soft reset. Your unit will power off and then power back on. We have total reset 2, which is a recalibration of your sensors in the machine. You have your pressure sensor as well as your flow meter. We have total reset 3, which is a factory reset for your unit. It's going to reset the unit to the day it came out of the box from the factory. Lastly, if we press our arrow again, we will find exit and we can leave our service menu.